Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to make your password visible while you are writing it. It's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To make our password visible, we have to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy options, and at the bottom we have Other Security Settings. And here at the top we have Make Password Visible. What does it do? Show password characters briefly as you type them. So yeah, this is this little after effect that briefly show you the letter or the number you entered. So you check this box. Now when we type any password, after image will last for a fraction of a second with our input. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.